Let's know more about the attributes. Here you have different attributes which change according to the data. Recipient's name means the name of the awardee. You can increase the size, change the color, font and alignment. The issue date is the date of issuing the credential. The program name is the name of the program or event you given in step 1. Institution's name is your organization's name. Then you can add signatory's name. License number. In case you made a mistake, you can delete the attributes by clicking the delete button. Unique ID, custom field which you add a custom data according to your need. A unique QR code and barcode can be added to the design, which helps to redirect to the credential page by scanning through a mobile or any device.